Afternoon viewers, making chicken karhai today. So let's start with it. I have my typical garam masala, which is half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 pieces of green cardamom, 1 piece of black cardamom, a piece of cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 4 pieces of cloves, a little bit of or maybe say a dash or a pinch of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1/2 bay leaf or a bay leaf of this size. My pan is let it steam up. I have put it on medium heat, and yeah, it shall do the job. Alright, my garam masala is ready. I can smell the beautiful aroma. Now I'm going to add 2 ground onions and a little bit, say 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to cook it till it turns golden brown, and then I'm going to add my chicken to it. So I add some mint leaves, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, maybe 4 pieces, and just added it. And I think my onions are slightly golden brown. I say slightly because they are slightly, so yeah, they are slightly golden brown. So now I'm going to add my chicken thighs. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 thighs. Bone in. Do not forget the bone. Anyways, so let's separate them. So spread them around evenly. Cook intensely. Let's fry them till they change the color, and then we will move towards our step 2. Fry them till they change the color, and we'll move towards step 2. Alright, now I'm going to flip my chicken. Yep, it has started to change the color on one side completely. Let's see. Yes, that's how I wanted it. A little bit. Okay, no problem. You will go back. Come on, sweetheart. Okay, that's pretty much perfect. Okay, I'll come back to you. Come on, these are being stubborn for no reason. Okay, turn them around. And now we're going to wait for the other side to change its color. Expected. The now made that my chicken is ready. So I'm going to add my spice to it. My spice comprises of the same masala I used in a previous video or in a previous dish. So it has a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander. I'll put the recipe in the description box, and half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. That's all there is to it. There goes in the masala, and now I'm supposed to cook the masala. flip it around so it gets direct in contact with the oil and the onion and the ginger garlic paste. Just chicken is a bit stubborn anyways. Successfully managed. Flip it around. Alrighty. Give it 5 minutes ish. Yeah, it looks nice. So I have added a tablespoon of tomato paste, some black pepper, say 2-3 pinches, or a quarter teaspoon, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Well, a little more, maybe less than a half a teaspoon of salt. Alright, it's perfectly ready. Now I'm going to add my ground tomatoes. It looks like this. 2 tomatoes. The color has already started to take effect, and it looks very decent right now. I'm going to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll come back till the tomato is halfway there. So just before we go, I'm going to add my peas and my cubed potatoes to this, and I'm going to cover the lid and cook it for 20 minutes. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and another tablespoon of yogurt. I'm going to throw in my potatoes, my cubed potatoes. See? I've added my peas, my potatoes, and my secret ingredient that I really and dearly love, coconut cream, say for 5 tablespoons. Now I'm gonna stir it, mix it very well, and then I'm gonna let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, 10 minutes tops. And that's how it looks like after 20 minutes. It's nicely and perfectly done. Potatoes are done, the chicken is done, my peas are done. That's pretty tasty too. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, do not forget to try it.